Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Josh Gibbons, a 16-year-old entrepreneur, and I'm currently going through the process of starting Amazon FBA. And this video is going through the main issue that I've had as a 16-year-old. Obviously, starting up a business model at my age is not the smoothest process you can go through. So I'm gonna discuss and break down this issue to hopefully come to a solution and also help you guys. And when I do finally crack it, guys, I'm gonna make so many videos to help all the people out there who are in my boots, who are currently struggling with wanting to do FBA and they can't because, just like me, they don't know how to set it up. So the main issue is, obviously, because I'm 16, the main issue I'm finding is with the Amazon Seller Central setup. So Amazon Seller Central is obviously what allows you to use FBA to sell products, and you have to be 18 to set up an Amazon Seller Central account. So that's where I can break down this main issue into two, maybe even more. But to start with, I'll break it down into mix of details, and we'll go on to the second one very soon. So because I'm 16, when I sign up for my Amazon Seller Central account, it will be the professional £30 a month one, by the way, guys, if you were wondering. So I will need to get a parent to sign up for me. But the only problem with that is there's quite a few stages and things to fill in to create your Seller Central account. And I'm really confused on whose details I use where, because if I do it wrong and names don't add up or details don't add up, I could get my account suspended and I will probably never be able to do Amazon FBA. And I don't want to do that. So that's why I'm kind of delaying on starting, because I really want to find out the solution before I go ahead and do it. And the thing is, I know there's people out there. I can't be the only human who's 16 in the UK wanting to do FBA. It's just not possible. I know there are people out there, so I've been trying to find them. I've been trying to contact under 18s who are doing FBA right now to see what the solution is. So at the moment, no one has replied, and the people I have reached out to are American. But I'm hoping that they can give me some insight into how you do it, although talking to a UK person would be so much easier. But obviously, life doesn't work out like that, does it? So my real goal for this YouTube channel is to share value, and as soon as I find a solution, I can't wait to share it, because I know how many people out there in the UK want to do FBA under 18 and they can't. So mix of details is one issue, but the next is credit card or debit card. So credit or debit card, this is an issue for me because when you go and sign up with Amazon Seller Central, it asks you to provide a credit card number. But at the same time, I have no idea if you can put a debit card number in that space and it will still let you sign up, or if I actually need a credit card. And due to the fact I've never used a credit card in my life, I mean, I'm 16, not many 16-year-olds have a credit card, and none of my family have ever used one. I don't really know if it came to having to get one. I don't know how to use it. What are the benefits? What are the flaws? What can go wrong? And I would just need to start researching credit cards loads before opening my business bank with a credit card. So me and Johnny Bradley, he's the teacher, the tutor of the course that I have learned all of this from. It's the first link in the description. He told me about prepaid cards that come with business banks for under 18s. So I'm wondering if I can get a prepaid card, which obviously would work for my age, and that would work instead of having to get a credit card. So again, it's risky if I sign up for the prepaid card and then I can't use it and then I have to get a credit card. I'll have to go back to the business bank and it could take ages. But of course, this is just a rough process. We're going to have to go through it the long way. There's no real quick, easy solution yet until I can discover what it is. So just to go over these issues, mix of details, it is where can I use my details and where do I have to use my parents' details when signing up for Amazon Seller Central. So the company and business bank, obviously it needs to be in my name, and when I sign up for Amazon Seller Central, where do I need to use my parents' details for name and age, and credit or debit card. Do I need to get a credit card and learn all of that, or can I sign up with a debit or even a prepaid card, which would be a lot easier. So how am I gonna discover, how am I gonna solve these issues? What I'm gonna do is obviously DM sellers. I'm gonna keep trying to find Amazon sellers who are under 18 in the UK. So DM sellers, and this will really uncover both of these issues in one, because then they can tell me what card they use to sign up and also where they put in their parents' details and their own. I may even contact Amazon seller support, but I only think you can do this with a Seller Central account, so I'm not sure that one will work, but I might see if other people can do it on behalf of me. I think that would be, I'd be lucky if that happened, but obviously those around me, I think just want me to take action, so I need to find out and discover the answers to these questions. So hopefully this video has been somewhat helpful to you guys. I know I didn't give you any solutions to these problems, but I wanted to bring them up because some of you might be jumping into the deep end without realizing what you're going to come up against. So, and it's going to save you so much time and effort and just wasted opportunity. So I'd rather share it through the good and the bad in this process. I want to document it all. So I hope you've somewhat enjoyed this video, but as soon as I find out, I'll make a video on it. I hope you've enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like if you're enjoying the process, the new series, me just getting into entrepreneurship so young as a 16-year-old. So be sure to hit the notification bell for new uploads, and I'll catch you in the next video.